we are going to do the factory checking for a client from Poland. Join us, we take you behind the scenes to see the factory works and how the high-quality toys are made. Let's start our tour. Engineers are currently setting up the molds and fine-tuning the machines. Quality control area. Each piece is carefully assembled by our talented team. Ensure that each product meets high standards for safety and durability. Every toy gets a thorough check before it's ready to go. The production line, the assembly line, skilled workers. Each order is checked and monitored so that delivery is timely and efficient. Sample showroom. Produce high-quality toys efficiently and reliably. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and follow up us for more updates.